In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop loss on Swissquote. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to sign into your account. Right now, I'm inside my demo account, but of course, you could also go into your live account if you want to. It's going to work the exact same way. And then from here, you want to hit the trade button top left, or of course, you want to trade anywhere where there's a trade button. So you could click anywhere. I'm going to click top left, and then there we go. Here, you want to select, of course, your order type. You could do, of course, the amount if you want to sell or buy, whatever. And to set a stop loss, all you have to do is down here at the bottom left, it says TP/SL. So switch over to this, and TP stands for take profit, and SL stands for stop loss. So if you want to set a stop loss, just check mark the stop loss over here. Then you can basically type in the stop loss you want to use and just click on place buy order or sell order, of course, if you are selling, and that's all you have to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.